Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new Dash strobe lights. The packaging includes a user and instruction manual, mounting accessories that you'll utilize to install your strobe lights, and then your Dash strobe lights.
These dash strobe lights provide great visibility on the road. The 2-in-1 emergency strobe lights are extremely effective and bright, and they'll be visible from pretty far out. They're great for safety in an emergency, and these lights are bright enough to catch the eyes of oncoming traffic. These lights are also well made. They're lightweight and they use focus TIR spot lenses, and they have a low energy consumption and up to 50 hours of service life. The housing is made of PC material, so it won't deform in the sunlight and it'll be extremely sturdy and durable. They utilize a suction cup installation, so they're easy to stick on the windshield and there's no need to drill holes. It can be easily moved from vehicle to vehicle, and the wire is long enough to be mounted on the front and rear windows. It also comes with double-sided pads for extra support if needed. They plug directly into your 12-volt cigarette lighter, and they have 22 different strobe patterns for many different uses. Just plug them in and you're ready to play, and it will save the strobe effect from your last use, so you don't have to worry about resetting it each time. This amber white strobe light bar will be widely used for hazard warnings, law enforcement, first responders, emergency vehicles, trucks, construction vehicles, police cars, EMS, security, and much more.